All right, hello everybody. Just a really quick update here. There were a couple of questions on EV blog that I decided to just really quickly answer. The first one was on angle of view on the screen. So what I'm going to do here is just quickly move around, and as you can see, I'm off by a fair amount now. I can also go up and still get a very good image from up high. You know, it's got a really nice viewing angle for this screen. So you can see that it's pretty crisp. Yeah, you lose a little bit when you go down, clearly, because there it goes. So it sort of drops off a little bit for some of the finer things. But on the vertical, if you go higher, it's still pretty clear. And left and right, you still got a nice viewing angle as well. So it looks like if you get below it a little bit, it's a little more difficult, but not too bad. The other thing that I wanted to show here was there was a question about the visual persistence, and as you can see, I've got a modulated waveform in there, and persistence is obviously on because you've got the intensity where the waveform's actually updating. So what I can do is, for instance, if I go to display, you can actually change the persistence, see down here, and then I'm going to try to do this with my other hand, so I apologize. This is not as easy as it looks. So you can see I'm changing the persistence here, and it's updating very differently. So normally the default's 240 milliseconds. You also have this neat option, you can actually color the waveform, so it'll actually, I think I showed this before, it'll heat map it. So areas that the waveform is hitting more often are red down to blue where it's less often. So again, I just really wanted to very quickly show what was going on there. This scope really hasn't been giving me any issues whatsoever. I know everybody's dying to see things that I haven't shown yet. Oops, let me just dial this down. There's also fun wackiness with multiple waveforms going across. No, I don't have it triggered right now, so that's why it's not going to show properly. Yes, I know everybody wants to see this. Everybody wants to see that logic analyzer in action. Unfortunately, like I said, real-world stuff has just sort of conspired to make it nearly impossible for me to actually get this done, so my apologies. But, I'll get to it when I can. It's just one of those things. I mean, again, my apologies, but I will get to it. All right, so hopefully it answers a couple of questions. I know there's more. I will get to them, I promise, but I wanted to just give a really fast update on those two features. Thanks. Bye.